que la quiero y me da miedo lo que ella pensará, porque su amor para mí es como un sueño. Quisiera verlo hecho realidad.
God have mercy upon us.
Close.
La 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 la.
Thank you, Beyonce.
ukubiswe ndacyari mushyashya muri Amerika turacyari uwa gatatu ndi muri Amerika reba maze igatata wembeje isoko igira muri Edeni kandi Edeni yaravumwe.
Okay, what is your name? What is your name?
My monkey man.
No, what is your name?
Tony this.
Tony. Tony, how long have you been here in America?
A long time, 40 years.
40?
Yeah.
You are very old in America.
Oh yeah, long time.
So you know everything about America,
Yeah,
right?
everything I know. Everything.
So what you can tell someone who wanna come in America, who don't know everything about America?
I know everything, man.
Cause in Africa they be saying America is like a heathen.
Yeah, I got a
It's
lot.
like,
I got a lot of friends from Africa. A lot of people, man, love me. You know?
yeah.
A lot of people.
So what you can tell someone who wanna come in America? They be like, America is heaven. Everything is free. Car is free. Food is free. Everything is free.
Everything not free. I have to
Everything.
work it hard.
You
know?
have to work hard.
Yeah, very hard.
Very hard.
Nothing free.
So they think in America, when you get in America,
Yeah.
we get like money from the tree.
Yeah, yeah. Look
Okay.
on the floor.
Money
Pick it up
everywhere.
every morning. Every morning pick it up.
God
And they
have
think you
mercy
get
upon
cars
uh,
us.
from
Yeah.
in the streets and
And
then
the
you
street
drive
car,
it.
Drive and go. Maybe a stolen.
So do you know how to sing?
Yeah.
You know how to sing?
I like singing.
You have a very good voice.
Yeah. I'm old, but it's okay. I got 58 years already, but you know, I'm a boxing man too, you know. I do everything, you know.
So how long have you been fixing cars?
Ooh, about 30 years.
30 years?
Yeah.
So you've been in America
life.
for 40 years, and you've
Yeah.
been. So you started to do it when in your country or in America? You
In
started.
my country, in America, everywhere I do mechanic.
Oh, okay. So someone,
And sing too.
someone who wanna fix his car or her car,
Come to me.
come to me. Thank you.